like this site is abandoned. Okay, we have got these caravans. You can see here we have a lot of sand zone, the sand zone. So starting from here, so this is a part of Joska here. Just want to go around. It's an area I've not gone. It's at the back. I want to survey the outlets at least. But it's part of Joska. Okay? Just want to see whether if I'm lost here, I can find myself. So guys, welcome to exactly I don't know this area, but it's part of Joska, alright, where we have businesses, alright. So we just go this way, then go down. See guys, we are still in Joska. I want to cross the road here. This zone is where you have lorries which carry sand, and we are walking around Kangundo Road, and you know today is a holiday, so now because the road is clear, as you can see, the road is clear from both sides. So I've seen the only place I can pass through is here. Go down. You can see so many lorries here. So many lorries around. Like that one is carrying some maybe animal feed. So I'll just take you around. Remember today is a holiday, it's 25th of December 2025. 5 days or so to New Year. So this is a place where we have the sand. The sand is zone. Alright. We have so much sand here. But you can see there are still some plots here which have not been developed. As you can see, the plots here have not been developed. But this place looks like churches, right? But you can see here we have a lot of sand zone, the sand zone. So starting from here, let me show you guys. Starting from here, this heap, go down, you find that we have a lot of sand here. Alright? So it's like lorries come and put the sand here so that those who want to buy can buy it. So let me go and show you that we have churches here, but I'm still in the sand zone. Right? Hii area inaitwa nini? Ni Mumbina eh? Hii area yote ni Mumbina eh? Okay, sawa. Okay. Asante. Area. Heaps of sand. Some look like area. According to that, really, like this one is already having growing some plants. I think the owner has not been able to get somebody to buy it. This one, there is already Tangetas minuta. This is known as Tangetas minuta. This plant here is known as Tangetas minuta. Right, and we have even passed top oil plant under the sun. All right. So there are heaps and heaps. I think each heap belongs to somebody. All right. It's like a visit to this Mumbina sand zone. Okay. Sand zone. You can see it even on the other side of the road. We still have sand. Okay, too much of the sand. Right. So now let's go to the zone of churches. But before we go to the zone of churches, we have some place here where you can buy the calabats. Right. Calbats. Okay. So guys, I'm in Mumbina area in Joska. And here my famous plant, known as Kelului. In Kikamba, this plant is known as Kelului. It has got a lot of thorns. All right, Kelului. But it has got a very good shade. All right, this one here, Kelului. Okay, so good for the sand zone. Let me take you to another zone now. So another zone. There seems to be a road. Get it. So bear with me, guys. Today is 2025. So I don't know, today is when Jesus Christ will be born. Is it on 25th or whatever? So I've come to this road here. I'll take you through, starting from there. Right. Let's reach where I'm starting. Let's reach where I'm starting. And then we can have a vision of how this place looks like. Okay? Alright. So I'll first take you the front, or I can start. Yeah, I'll take you the front. All right, we are going to start here. Okay, guys, come with me. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are in this world. Today is Christmas. Yeah, it is the 25th of December, 2025. Okay, you can see now. If you write the date, you are going to have 225s at the end. 25th, stroke 12, 2025. So 25 at both ends. So guys, here is something interesting. An abandoned. This is an abandoned. I don't know whether this is the person who is the owner of these things is still working here. But I can see like this site is abandoned. Okay, you have got these carabats. You can see some of them are inside the soil. All right, and there are very many here. Okay, excuse me. So there are various types of tiles. I can see very many types of tiles here, but the place seems to have been abandoned. Look at it. All right, you can see they are good shapes. Excuse me. I don't know whether it's a safe place, but this is an abandoned site. Like the owner is no longer here. Or maybe because I can see, yes, there are tiles here. Okay. Don't know what happened. It looks like deserted. All right. Cabros. There are some buildings, some structures which were there. They seem to have been removed. So I don't know. Maybe they had occupied the wrong place, because you can see some of these things are quite old here, like these ones here. So it's no longer sharing. Seems like somebody had built in somebody's place, looks like. And then they were you can see these ones which are abandoned here. Completely abandoned sites with very with the materials worth thousands. Look at it. This is Mombina, Joska area. That's where we are having Mombina. Joska area. So these are the remainders of what you can see.